Hi, I'm Elliot, and if you found me, that means we share a similar interest in finances and wealth. I've been trading the stock market since my early 20s and have always been intrigued by all sorts of investment strategies. Although I did take some time out from the markets after being a stockbroker for a year and traveling South America. For many years now, I've wanted to share my financial knowledge and the mistakes I've made to help others avoid the same pitfalls. Something I encourage on the channel is to take control of your investments and your finances. We live in a fast-paced world that demands our attention at every turn, so it's very easy to get distracted and avoid it. We all want to be financially free, but what would you actually do if you were? A few years ago, I thought long and hard about this, and I realized I wasn't doing the one thing I would do if I wasn't working. Sometimes we can get stuck in this mentality of thinking, if I only had more time, or if only I wasn't working, then I could do it. For me, that was kiteboarding. Kiteboarding is a sport that is easily procrastinated due to the amount of skills you need to acquire before you can actually start riding and the weather conditions you need to have before you can actually ride. This includes wind speed and wind direction. So take a moment now just to think of the life you would lead if you weren't working and how you could start living it now. Over the last 4 years, my personal stock portfolio has grown to 82% profit and my self-managed super fund has grown to 54% profit. I'll generally take profits on companies from time to time and then the price will skyrocket. So the first lesson is don't sell out of great growth companies, just continue to hold them. My strategy is standard. It's just to buy and hold great companies and then add to those positions as the price becomes closer to its intrinsic value. The intrinsic value is basically what all the financials add up to be to determine the real value, not the market value. Market value is what the world thinks that it's worth, not what the financials say. The channel will have a wide variety of different videos related to different aspects of financing, from banking to investing to saving money on various items and managing finances. I'll aim to keep things informative and interesting. We'll even take a look at some of the best companies on the market and my recommendations on them. Now, of course, stocks are a big passion of mine and my favorite investing vehicle, but that doesn't mean we won't explore other strategies like property. If you've got any suggestions or queries, feel free to drop me a line. I'll get back to you. I look forward to seeing you around the channel, and of course, smart investors, don't forget, take control of your money.